Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. Important area of support is now broken, that is 4240. With yesterday's solid red candle, we can see it pierced through this support area. It retested 4180, that was our next area of support, and expected we are seeing a follow through. This is very negative. For now we can see closing is below 4180, minor support area at 4158, and then we have our next demand zone around 4130 to 4140 area. For now, as I mentioned in my yesterday's video, DFM market index is now looking weaker. Previously it was climbing up very nicely. We can see it was making higher highs and higher lows. Right here, after going sideways for about 2 to 3 weeks, it broke the chart pattern to the downside, and I had been repeatedly mentioning right from this zone, once we see a clearance of 4300, this will give us a good indication that bearish chart pattern is now invalidated. Unfortunately, market was just going sideways, hovering near our important area of support, and then it broke to the downside. This is obviously bearish, but still downtrend have not yet started. There are chances market may take a rebound from this zone or even from current area, as after a strong momentum to the upside, market cannot immediately move down and start a fresh trend. Yes, it took a pause for about 2 to 3 weeks here before breaking the support. For now, all eyes on the next demand area, that is 4130 to 4140. And in case if this is also broken down, then we have our next area of support around 4083 points. Let's see how soon the market recovers. As I mentioned yesterday, we will be only positive now if at all it spends some time here. It goes sideways at least 2 to 3 days, and then if this resistance is again broken, that is 4240, that's when we will call it market is again in bullish territory. For now, market index is looking a bit negative. Pure Health is one of the stock that I had recommended to my YouTube members right in this zone when it touched 3.80. This was a perfect place for early bird entry. As we know, it's in a strong downtrend, and this was a very good place for early bird entry. Stop losses or our risk would be very minimal. Check this out, it went sideways for about 2 weeks right from here, from about 25th of March, and it was just going sideways till about 5th of April, and then we saw a breakout of this zone. Check this out, if I extend the range right here, we can see a nice retest today. This was the range that it was trading in. After this breakout, sellers tried to push the market down. They were not successful. Reason being, today it opened flat in bearish territory. If sellers were aggressive, they should have pushed the price lower to retest 3.80 or even go lower. But what happened is exactly the opposite. It retested the previous resistance, which is now acting as a support. We can see buyers defending this zone. Buyers have jumped in today, and after a red candle they have closed green. This is very positive. It means buyers are now activated, and our target was around 4.05 to 4.07. Once this is taken out, we have minor hurdles on the way up. Major area of resistance is 4.60. Overall, Pure Health is now trying to start a fresh trend to the upside. There are good chances it may break out, come down for a correction. Slowly and steadily it will try and rise to retest the next area of resistance, or in other scenario there are good chances it may go sideways, establish a base, and then we may see a breakout. Till the time it's about 3.80, it's still safe. We can expect upside momentum and a new trend to the upside. So this is a good place for entry. This is the daily chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, and we are not surprised with today's move, as I had mentioned yesterday that it has made a big red candle right into our support zone where it was just moving around for about 10 days, and today we are seeing a follow through. Finally, it is now near our next area of demand, that is 9160. Today's closing is at 9165. Even ADX index is looking negative. If at all market does not hold at current support area right here, then there are very good chances we may see strong momentum to the downside till about 9100. Overall, ADX market is still in a downtrend. It's looking more negative. Previously, as I mentioned, there were some hopes it was just going sideways, and I was expecting a breakout of first resistance area around 9,330 and then next swing high, that is 9,435. It could not break both the resistance areas. In fact, we are seeing selling pressure. But at the same time, let me tell you, as of now with current market situation, I can see more buying opportunities in ADX than DFM. So again, pick up your stocks very carefully. Market is still giving us opportunity, but you have to be very picky and selective. Plan your strategies in advance as market is choppy. Do not block your capital by entering the wrong stocks. That's it guys for now. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.